morning star, cast me not away from your presence. Do not take away your Holy Spirit, and may I never boast in anything except the cross of Jesus Christ. And may I not forget the blood He shed, for it is by His death that I am alive. Because of Christ I am